What's up, guys? Welcome back to MizTech, the channel where we make AI simple for everyone. Today, I'm going to show you 5 completely free AI tools that real people are using right now to make actual money online in 2026. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate tools that freelancers, students, and small business owners are using every single day. Stay till number 1, because that one alone could genuinely change your financial situation. Let's get into it. Tool number 5 is ChatGPT, and specifically how to use it to make money as a freelance writer. Here is exactly how it works. You go to a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork, and you offer blog writing, email writing, or social media content services. When a client orders from you, you take their topic. Go to ChatGPT. Say, write me a 1,000-word blog post about this topic, and ChatGPT writes the entire thing in seconds. You review it, make small edits, and deliver it to your client. Freelance writers on Fiverr are charging anywhere from $20 to $200 per article. If you deliver just 2 articles per day, that is anywhere from $40 to $400 every single day using a completely free tool. The key is to always review and personalize what ChatGPT writes, never just copy-paste directly. Add your own touch to make it unique. Go to chat.openai.com, free to sign up. Tool number 4 is Canva AI, and this one is perfect if you want to make money selling digital designs. You use Canva's free AI tools to create digital products like social media templates, resume templates, and business card designs. Then you sell these templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. People are making anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month. And the best part is you create the template once and it sells forever. You don't need any design experience. Canva AI does most of the work for you. You just customize and upload. Go to canva.com. Tool number 3 is ElevenLabs, one of the most underrated ways to make money with AI right now. ElevenLabs is a free AI voice generator that creates incredibly realistic human-sounding voiceovers. They go to Fiverr and offer voiceover services for YouTube videos, advertisements, audiobooks, and explicable videos. Voiceover artists on Fiverr charge anywhere from $15 to $150 per minute of audio. You are reselling an AI tool as a professional service, and clients are completely happy because ElevenLabs sounds human. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Tool number 2 is Adobe Firefly, Adobe's completely free AI image generator. You use Adobe Firefly to create stunning AI-generated artwork and digital illustrations. Then you sell these as digital downloads on Etsy. AI-generated art sellers on Etsy are making anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. You generate the image once with a free tool and sell it unlimited times forever. Go to firefly.adobe.com, and the number 1 free AI tool combination for making money online in 2026 is YouTube automation. You need zero investment to start. The only thing you need is consistency. Post 3 videos per week. This is the most realistic free way to make money online in 2026, and you can start today. Quick recap. Number 5, ChatGPT, 4 Canva AI, 3 ElevenLabs, 2 Adobe, Firefly, and 1 YouTube automation. If this video gave you value, please smash that like button and subscribe to MizTech for weekly AI money-making tutorials. Comment below which method you are going to try first. I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next one.